Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about an amazing plant that often goes unnoticed in our gardens and fields, purslane. Yes, it is not just any weed. Instead, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Are you ready to discover its amazing benefits? Purslane, though commonly referred to as a weed, actually has the reputation of being among the most nutritious leafy greens. But did you know it's actually full of omega-3? That's right. Omega-3 are super important for our heart health and our brain function. One little serving has quite a healthy dose that can keep our hearts in really great shape. But that is not all. Purslane is also packed with antioxidants, which are nature's way of fighting off the damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and fight off chronic diseases. Hence, eating purslane is indeed a step towards healthier living. Now you may ask yourself, how do I include this superfood into my diet? Great question. You can toss fresh purslane into salads for a crunchy, tangy taste, blend into smoothies for an added boost in nutrition, or sauté with garlic to make a tasty side dish. The options are endless. So, I urge you all to begin searching for purslane in your gardens, local markets, or even foraging. By including purslane in your meals, you're not just eating a green, you're nourishing your body with vital nutrients that support your heart and overall health. Let's give our bodies some love with this incredible plant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more information.